So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can rig your tire using the drivers, and I have already make one video on that topic, which is I post before 3 months. Okay, but lots of people are sending me message on Instagram, so please make a voiceover video. We didn't get exactly what's going on that video, so I thought I should make, because people are sending me message continuously on Instagram. So guys, if you want, I make the video on your request topic, so please put your request in the comment box. I will definitely make the video on it, and I'm also thinking to make one playlist on my YouTube channel, name of request, so you will find your all request video from there. So whatever your request, just send me on Instagram. Yeah, you can comment your video request video on my comment box, so I will make the video definitely on that topic. And if you want guys the model, whole scene model free, so make sure you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and send the screenshot on my Instagram. So when you send me the message, I will send that project file link on there. So okay guys, so without any further delay, now let's get started. So here you can see we have our car, and if I will enable that, so here you can see I link my whole car with the one link, that is that name I will set as a main link. Yeah, like that. So now I'm just going to remove the all drivers from all tires, so you will understand how to do. So I'm going to select one tire, I will press the N, and I think I should enable my shortcut VR. Yeah, so I go to the item section. So here you can see I have already put one driver on rotation, so right now I'm going to delete the driver, and same thing I will do that back one. So yeah guys, all drivers is now erased, and now you can see we don't have any drivers, no violet color here. Okay guys, so I just want to show you first the setup, exactly how I did this. So I did basically all the car parts. Okay, all the car parts I link with a main link. I put that name main link, and I already spared the tire from the cars, and each tire is individual here you can see, and each tire is linked with the main link. So here you can see. Okay guys, so now I'm going to set the driver. Okay, and if you want to know how you can link the all thing with a one link, so I'm just going to show you one demo here, so maybe you will get to know better. So for example, I have one cube here like that, and I'm just going to copy. Yeah, like that. I'm just going to arrange like that, and yeah, so I have lots of cube here. So I just want to attach all the cube with a one link. So how we can do this? So I will just add one empty here, like I'm going to add a spare empty. You can take anyone, and after that I will put the link top of this, and I will select each and every object like that, and after that I will select that link, and I will click the Control P, and here is the option is set parent to object. You can also set the object keep transform, so if you will do transform to it will be not affect to object like that. So I'm just going to set the keep transform. So when I click on it, so here you can see when I move that main link, all the cubes will move with that link, and we can individually move these links like that. Here you can see we can scale, rotate very easily. Okay guys, I think it's better to understand you, so I'm just going to delete all cubes. So same thing I did with that car also. So here you can see each and every tire is individual, but I link with that main link. So when I move that link, the whole car will be go with that link. Okay, so now I am just adding the driver. So for that, what I will do, so I will go to the item section, and first here you can see we have a animation also on that our main link. So I'm going to delete the animation first. So I will select all and delete the all keyframes like that. Yeah, so after that I'm just going to add the driver my first tire. So for that we have to reset our rotation. So now here you can see we have some rotation value here. So how we can reset that? For that I will press Ctrl A, and here is a apply transformation as a rotation. So now we have all rotation is 0. Okay, so same thing I will do with all other tires, rotation and rotation. Yeah, it's done. Then after that what I will do, I will go to the here. Okay, and first we will check which direction is tire is moving. So when I do the X, so yeah, that is the right direction. So what I will do for that, I will just go to the hover my mouse on the X axis, and I will press the right click, and here is option is add driver. So when you click the add driver, so we have another palette open, and here you can see we have a driver. And if you lost that palette, so what you have to do for that, you have to again hover your mouse on x-axis, and after that you have to click on edit driver. So you will get again that palette, that dockers. Okay guys, so here you can see it's showing some expression. Okay, we have to put some expression that will be work when we move our main link, and here you can see it's showing error invalid Python expression. So right now whatever expression is put here, it's not right, so that's why it giving us information it's not a right Python expression. To put the right Python expression, so I'm just going to put the right Python expression. So just make sure. So I'm just keep that var means variable. So I will put the 2, and after that I will add one star like that, and var. If we will see something happen with this expression, so if we're moving our car, that expression is not working, our tire is not moving. Okay, so we have to check first which direction is car is going. So here you can see it's a y-axis, here it's showing y-axis, so we have to define that y-axis also. So for that what I will do, so I will go to the again select that tire, I will click the right click, and here is the edit driver. So here is the option is also that axis. Okay, here you can see, and before axis we have to set the main link object also here. So for that we have to set the main link here, and now I will play. So here you can see it's not working again anything. So I will go to again the driver section, edit driver, and we have to set the type location also. So we saw that y location is right location to move the tire. So when I set the y location, and now I will move my main link into the y axis like that, z and y. So it's here you can see it's that tire is moving, but there is one problem, that tire is moving opposite side. Means, so if I go to the front direction, so that tire is moving the opposite direction. So how we can rid of that problem also? So for that I will select again my tire, and I will go to the again edit driver. So here we put some expression, so we have to set the expression -2, and here you can see that expression, that error is showing, now it's gone. Okay guys, so now I will move my main link So here you can see Z and Y, so that tire is moving in now right direction. Here you can see it's working properly and our tire is moving in right direction. Okay guys, so now I will put the same driver in a other tire also, so we can't do same things with each and every tire. So for that, what I will do, for that I will select my that tire. Okay, after that I will go to the here, and here is option is copy driver, and I will go to the my back tire, and here I will set the paste driver. So same thing it's apply with that tire also, and I will do same thing with that paste driver and paste driver. So now I will move the my main link, so Z and Y, so all tire is moving the right direction. It is working properly. Here you can see. So now you can see, able to see like that. Yes, it's working properly. If I will show in the gray scale, so you can see better. Yeah, so it's working properly. That's how you can rig your tire. Okay, and you can also put the animation on it. Okay, so how you can put the animation? So first of all, I will go to the camera mode. I will press the 0, and I will enable my shader view. Yeah, so for that I will I will select my main link, and after that I will press the I, and here is the location key. And guys, if you want to know the basic animation of Blender, how you can start your first animation in Blender, so you can watch my this video. I will put the link on I button. You can see from there. Okay, so I put the one location key here, and after that I will go to the 140, and I move my main link Z and Y like that, and after that I will press the I again. So when I play the animation, so here you can see our car is moving, and our car is looking more realistic, and it tire is moving accordingly the direction, and it's good. Okay guys, and I hope you learn how you can add the driver on tires. So I'm just going to show you the render view, how it's looking exactly. Yes, you can see here. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this tutorial guys. If you learn something in this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe my channel also. And if you have any queries, if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply your comment. So bye bye, take care, stay home.